Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we'll be doing something very similar to my last video. If you haven't seen that, go check it out over here. And in my last video, I went looking through some of my origami, and I found this tessellation, and I taught that 2 weeks ago. And I also found this wolf in the pile, and this is a bit of a simpler one. I realized that lots of my models recently have been a little harder, so I thought it would be better to just do something simpler. So with that being said, here's how to fold it. Alright, so for this model I'm just going to use a 6" of brown paper. This model is more on the easy side, so I'd say it's pretty beginner friendly. Alright, let's first start by turning over, and let's diagonally fold in half this way. Alright, now let's turn around and let's take this edge and put it along this crease. And we're just going to make a pinch mark right here. So just make a little tiny pinch and then unfold. And then we'll be left with this tiny crease. Now if we fold this way, then let's take this point and fold it to that point. Alright, and then take this point and fold it to that point. Alright, now let's unfold that, and let's open this and reverse fold in on the creases that we made. So just mount and fold here. Sorry, that was kind of confusing. So what we did is we just mount and folded here, and then let's flatten. It's more of a squash fold than a reverse fold, but whatever. And then let's make a fold along these 2 points. Alright, now let's fold this back up. Now let's make a reverse fold so that this point touches this point. So let's open it up. Let's make this a mountain fold. And then let's make this point touch the inner point. Like that. Right. Now let's fold this over, and let's mount and fold this one over. Let's unfold both of those, and let's, you guessed it, reverse fold them inside. So on the inside, it should look like that. Alright, and repeat on the other side. And we should have that. And then now let's take these and fold them inwards like that. So what I just did was, it was open like that, then we fold along these creases, and then just push this one right down like that. Okay, now let's get out his ears. So we've got this little flap in here, and we want to open and squash upwards. That flap is very messy, so I'll have to fix that. It's a little better. And then repeat that on the other ear. There we go. And then now let's just valley fold this flap up a tiny bit. We just valley folded from this point to that point. And let's mount and fold that in to give him a little bit of eye separation. And let's do the same on this flap. Alright, now let's give him a mouth. So let's make a valley fold in between this point and that point. And let's fold it down a little bit. There's no reference to this, just a small amount. Just make sure it's symmetrical though. Alright, now let's take this point and fold it to the middle. Alright, then this is very uneven. Now let's fold it upwards, then fold this down here, and then let's unfold and make this edge touch this crease, and valley fold up, and let's just valley fold that one back down. Right, now as a last step, let's make a fold in between the ear and the start of the mouth. Like that. And let's do that on the other side. And that is our wolf. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed folding that. I'll see you in the next video, and in the meantime, have fun folding.